Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music on Snapchat apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Snapchat apps. And then in here, you just click on the plus icon and click sound or add sound. And then in here, you can see many music or song on Snapchat apps. You can choose everything sound that you like. Maybe this one. And then after this, you can record your video. And then after this, the song has been added to your video like this. And finish. So that's how to add a song on Snapchat apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.